I'm sure that you'll agree that making a lot of connections in a small space can be hard to do. In this video, you will learn how to wire up this rose and install it. And I promise that by the end, you will know if it's right for your job, or if you need another of our roses. I'm Laurie Smith, and today I'm going to demonstrate our 100mm multi-outlet ceiling roses. So we're going to start with a copper ceiling rose. This is how it arrives. It comes with the ceiling bracket mounted, attached, and it also comes with 3 basic cord grips. So our first step is to remove the ceiling bracket by removing the side screws. The ceiling bracket can be fitted to the ceiling. Then, making sure you're comfortable, we'll start making the connections in the ceiling rose. So we start by threading the wires through each hole. Next, as I've ascertained the length they need to be, I slide on the cord grips, so they slide down, and I put the cord grip so the screw goes over the black tape, so we tighten that on each length. You'll notice I've stripped back the flex 85mm on each length. Then I get my wire strippers and I strip back each of the inner cores 15mm. Next, it's a case of connecting up all the same colours to each other. So I'll start with the live, and I simply twist the wires together, and then I slide on my screw end terminator. I use a 4mm when we're using 3 wires, and it's insulated at the end and tightened down, not over tightened. Now we'll do the earth wires and follow the same procedure, and then the neutral wires. There we have them all neatly held and prepared and ready to go. Your ceiling bracket hopefully has been mounted to the ceiling, and it's simply a case of pushing the wires down, out of the way, pushing the cup up to the ceiling bracket, and simply screwing in the side screws to hold it flush with the ceiling. And there you have wired up your 3 rose fender. From one power outlet you can get 3 different light sources attached across the ceiling. Sometimes people use our cable clamps, which are simple to fit to the ceiling, and fit them in and then tighten the base, and it gives a neat securing point to hold it wherever you wish across the ceiling. As you can see, we stock a wide range of multi-hole ceiling roses. So in the 100mm we have 3-hole, 4-hole, 5-hole and 6-hole in a range of different colours, and then also the same range in 200mm. If this rose is right for you, you can purchase it on this page. If not, why not browse our other ceiling rose options in this category? Thanks for watching, and please do get in touch if you need any help.